So we are continuing page number 30, the explanation of page number 30, and this is the last part of it. So bil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasat. Bil ha. Now, can you see that there is tashdid? There is a shadda. Shadda means this W. It's not shidda, it's shadda. Shadda is this W. Under this W, this small W, there are two twin letters are there. There are two qaf. So if will see like this, ha. So it is ha. First one is attached with, or let's assume that there is fatha haqqa. Okay, so the first one is attached with your ha, and the second one is with fatha haqqa. So what you will do when you will give waqf at the end? So we are learning on this last line, we are learning how to give waqf when there is tashdid on the qalqala letters. So we will not give qalqala on the first qaf. On the first qalqala letter, we are not giving, even though we found that there is sukoon, because we are giving waqf at the end. So we will give qalqala at the last letter with sukoon. Okay, so we will hold and we will give a sifa of ashidda here. We will cut off the sound. There shouldn't be any flow of sound, and right away you will go towards the second harf qalqala to give it a qalqala. Okay, bil haq. Look how I'm holding the first of haq and then creating qalqala on the last one, qa. Bil haq, qa. Bil haq, first sound is being cut off. The sound is stopped. There is no flow of sound at all. Haq, and then the second qaf will get qalqala. Qa. Bil haq, qa. For hamza, give very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is very sharp and short. Ha. Ha should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, and there are two tha. One is attached with ha, and the other with sukoon, because you are giving waqf at the end, because we are learning waqf here. So when you are giving waqf, there is sukoon at the last tha. Okay, I'll write it for you here. Ha, ha. So there are two tas. First one is what is attached with ha, ha. And the second one is with sukoon too, because you have given waqf at the end. So are you going to apply qalqala here? No, you will bring a sifa of shidda here and qalqala at the last ta, because you learned already that under this shidda there are twin letters there sitting waiting for you to pronounce. So be very careful. Pronounce both of them, but the first thaw will not get sifa of qalqala, even though you saw it with sukoon, but you will give qalqala at the last letter where you are applying waqf. Ha, and ha and tha is heavy tooth, so make sure you bring sifa of heaviness here too. حق for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ta is a very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ba. And ba is with tashdid. So there are two bas under this shidda. So a shadda. This shadda has two bars here. One is connected with ta, and the other has a sukoon too, because you are giving waqf at the end. You are learning here how to give waqf on the letters with tashdid, and these are letters of qalqala. So you will not give qalqala at the first ba, but you will give qalqala at the last one. Watab, watab. For waw, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Wal hajj. You will hold the sound when you are saying jim with ha, and then you are applying qalqala at the last jim. There are two jims under this w. One is attached with ha, and the other has sukoon at the end, because you are applying waqf here. So you are not going to apply qalqala on the first letter, but first jim, but you will apply at the last one. So first one has to be hold, and then the second one will get sifa of qalqala. Well, had, look, I'm holding it had, and the second jim as I'm going to apply, I will apply sifa of qalqala. J. Wal hajj. Wal hajj. A. Hamza is a very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Lam, for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with dal. And under this ashidda, there are two dal. One is attached with lam, and the other one is with sukoon, because you are bringing waqf over here. So you are learning how to give waqf on the letters of qalqala when these are with shidda, shidda. So you are holding the first dal. You are bringing sifa of shidda over there, and applying qalqala at the last dal. Alad. Look how I'm holding the dal when it is attached with lam. Lad. And then the second dal I have applied qalqala. D. Alad. Alad. So these two dals should be pronounced very well. So جزاك الله خير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. اللهم صل على محمد محمد إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.